Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mini indoor bow and arrow. Start by taking a lollipop stick, putting it in a bowl of water, and leaving it to soak for half an hour. Next, dry it off, then using a small pair of scissors or nail clippers, cut 2 small grooves at each end of the stick. It should look like this. Next, take a short length of dental floss, wrap it around the grooves at one end of the stick, and tie it on. Then we need to gently bend the stick into a bow shape, wrap the floss around the grooves at the other end, tie it on with a knot, and cut the end off using a pair of scissors. And there we have it, our completed bow. If you want to customize your bow, use a ballpoint pen to draw a design on before you bend it into shape. To make the arrows, we're going to use a cotton bud and cut the end off using a pair of scissors. Firing it takes a little bit of practice, but you soon pick it up and it's safe to use indoors. If you want to make a flaming arrow, first you need to reinforce the cotton bud tube with a shaved down cocktail stick, otherwise the plastic arrow melts and the cotton bud falls off. Next, roll the cotton in some Vaseline, get it into position ready to fire, and load the arrow. The arrow will stay alight long after it's landed, so you should only do this outside, somewhere safe where nothing can catch fire, and keep some water on standby to put it out.